This video will go over the machine lubrication on the AT450. First, there are 12 grease fittings on the machine. One on the front and one on the rear of the lift cylinder. One on the front and one on the rear of the oscillating link. Two on the latch control lever shaft and two on the front lift arm. One on the PTO slider bell crank and one on the PTO idler. One on the PTO tension handle and one on the articulation bearing. Next, there are additional lubrication points. Use a chain lube, light motor oil, or penetrating oil on the following locations. Located underneath the footplate, the foot pedal gas spring, and the forward-reverse cable rod ends. The forward-reverse cable front bell crank. The hydraulic pump arm rods located behind the PTO tension handle bracket. The PTO tension handle linkage rod. The PTO slider shaft bearings, as well as the high-low shift cable rod ends.